Hey guys, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the grill in your GMT-800 truck. Now this is our 1999, and those years go from 99 to 2009. So this is our 99. We're going to show you how to remove the grill. That's one of the easy things you can do on this, and a lot of people might not know exactly how to get them off or where to look to get the screws and the little clips off of it. It's really easy to do. We're going to show you how to do it without breaking it. So here is the main part you need to worry about. These clips right here. You can see up on the top here, when I put a Phillips head screwdriver into there, I can rotate this clip. You can see right there, that little clip comes undone when I rotate it. You see that? So you need to rotate it until it stops. Now it would allow that part to pull loose. We have to loosen the rest of it to get them all out. Now there's one up here. The other one is right over here. So we're going to unlock that one. Now down here by the headlight, there is one more. So just turn it until you feel it unlock. And then over here, there's one more. Turn it until you feel it unlock. Now it's all unlocked. All you need to do now is right here, there is a 10mm that you need to take out. So we're going to go ahead and take that one out. It looks like whoever owned this truck before us might have stripped that out, so be careful with that. That's actually really hot right now because of that. Now everything is undone. Over here on the corners, on either side, there are two little spring clips that attach it. We're going to show you the way to get it off. So with the grill loose, you can just pull it back just like that. Sometimes it gets stuck a little bit harder and you kind of have to pop it out a little bit. So now over here on the driver's side, so over here there's another one, and it can be a little bit difficult to get that one out. You got to be careful that you don't mess up your headlights and stuff. But sometimes you can just grab the edge right around here and pull it back. Try not to be too rough with it. I think I might have been a little rougher than I should have been, but it didn't break anything. And you can see right there that little spring clip. That little spring clip goes in right there to that little hole. When you reinstall it, you have to put it right back in that clip. That's how easy it is to do this. So there you go. Now you see how easy it is to do. Just be careful when you're removing those outside edges that you get closer to those clips when you take it out, and don't just yank it out from the middle, because then those edges will snap off. You don't want to do that. So when you're reinstalling it, put those ends in first. Get those aligned and popped in, and then get everything set up in the middle. Tighten down those little clips and put your bolts in, and make sure you don't cross thread it like whoever owned this truck before us did. If there's anything else you'd like to learn about, post down below in the comments. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at The Midnight Mac, TikTok at The Midnight Mechanic, and subscribe to our channel to see more how-tos and all of our other shows. See you guys next time.